This video will be a quick one. I'm going to show you a couple of the lenses that I polished on this Isuzu. I used this Mothers NuLens headlight kit. It comes with the sponge wheel, a couple sanding discs, and the compound. I think it's just a polishing compound. And I ended up not having to use the sanding discs. You're only supposed to use those if these are really messed up. I'll put some pictures at the end. These were really yellow and they came back really nice. So it shows you how long or how little I've owned this car. I thought these were the turn signals. These are actually the marker lights. Turn signals are down here. I didn't polish these or anything. So I've removed the first lens and I'll show you how I polish this up real quick. When I went to do the headlights, I removed the metal surround that goes on this Isuzu and taped off top and bottom. And then I took these marker lights out to polish. I held them in my hand. So with these turn signals, same deal. I'm just going to hold it, do one side at a time, flip it around, do the other side. I've already put the polishing compound on the wheel, so you're going to start out by holding it on there and then starting slow, well, slower than that, starting slowly, get a little speed built up. You're supposed to kind of work back and forth in a small area. These are pretty small. I'll just cut it up into two different areas here. Should mention that these will sling a lot of polishing compound around, so if you're not wanting to get dirt and compound on things, do this somewhere else. But I need to wash and buff this car again anyway, so it'll be fine. So, grab a rag, which I need to go grab one. Like I said, grab a rag, buff it off. And you can see, I'll take a picture too, but hopefully you can see on the camera, there's a difference between the polished side. Here, I'll get it right in the light. The non-polished side and the polished side. Should be able to see that. That's all it takes, just a little work. And the kit gives you directions. If there's cracks and a lot of other weirdness going on, you can use those sanding discs, but for this car, not required. Thanks for watching.